Hi friends, so today in Perfect Seasoning we are going to make mac and cheese. बेटे का ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लॉकडाउन पे 10 मिनट्स का ब्रेक, तो बोला पापा कुछ बनाओ. तो आई थॉट ऑफ मेकिंग सम मैक एंड चीज विच इज टेस्टी, gooey एंड इन 10 मिनट्स में बन जाए और वो खा के सीधा पढ़ाई पे. सो लेट्स मेक मैक एंड चीज, लेट्स गो. मैक एंड चीज़ के लिए जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए बेशमल सॉस बनाने के लिए वो है सम चॉप्ड अनियंस अराउंड 20 ग्राम्स, बटर 20 ग्राम्स, मिल्क अराउंड 100 मिलीलीटर और रिफाइंड फ्लावर या मैदा अराउंड 20 ग्राम्स. हमारा मैक एंड चीज़ के लिए बेशमल सॉस या वाइट सॉस बनाने के लिए आई एम पुटिंग सम बटर ऑन द पैन. ये बटर को थोड़ा सा मेल्ट हो जाए जब भी यू कैन ऐड द अनियंस, फाइन चॉप्ड अनियंस, एंड उसको सौते करें till it is translucent. Generally in bechamel sauce you don't add any onions, but I prefer onions in the bechamel sauce because it gives a beautiful taste to the bechamel sauce. Now I add the flour all around the pan and then I mix it properly. इस स्टेज को roux कहते हैं. इसको बनाते वक्त जो बेशमल सॉस बनाते हैं, the mix of flour and butter is called roux. Once the flour gets cooked, before it's turned blonde or brown, it has to remain in the same color. You feel that the flour is cooked, you add in the milk. Once you are adding the milk, you have to take care that you are stirring the sauce uniformly and vigorously so that this lumps gets spread out and it mixes properly with the milk. And the mint continuously stirring the milk, you see that the thickness or the consistency of the sauce is coming a little thicker. You see that the lumps are all broken and then the sauce is boiling, so it shows that the sauce is all ready now and it is smooth in consistency, so the sauce for the mac and cheese is ready now. I don't prefer adding any seasoning to the sauce, any salt and pepper, because butter has its own salt, and the last minute perfect seasoning will be done while you are making the mac and cheese. For the macaroni to boil, when the water boils, add some salt and then pour in the macaroni. फिर मैकरोनी को आराम से हिलाइए ताकि वो हर जगह से spread out हो जाए and it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. Now that you see that the pasta is almost done, ये जो पास्ता है, while you are stirring it, you can feel the softness of the pasta. So you come to a conclusion कि ये हो चुका है. अभी इसको धीरे से स्टेन कर लीजिए और निकाल के किसी और जगह पे फैला के रख दीजिए. अब हमारा व्हाइट सॉस भी रेडी हो गया है मैक एंड चीज़ के लिए और पास्ता भी बॉयल हो चुका है. अब हम फाइनल स्टेज में आ रहे हैं मैक एंड चीज़ बनाने के लिए. तो रेस्ट ऑफ द इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो चाहिए हमें मैक एंड चीज़ बनाने के लिए वो है बटर अराउंड अगेन 20 ग्राम्स, सम अनियन डाइसेस अराउंड 20 ग्राम्स, सम कैप्सिकम अराउंड 15 to 20 grams, and some processed cheese or any gooey cheese which you have in your fridge, you can use that. And for a non-veg mac and cheese, you can use chicken, shrimp, whatever you have in your stock. Now I have used some chicken sausages instead of chicken because this will be a little innovative mac and cheese with the sausages, and the flavors of the smoky chicken sausages is amazing when you make a mac and cheese. अब आ गए हम फाइनल स्टेज ऑफ मैक एंड चीज़ बनाने के लिए. अब एक पैन लीजिए, पैन थोड़ी सी हीटेड अप हो जाए जब यू ऐड द बटर Once the butter melts, we are going to put in the ingredients and saute it. So first ingredient being the onions. और उसको अच्छी तरह सौते कीजिए till it is little translucent. अब अनियन बिल्कुल ट्रांसलूसेंट स्टेज में आ गया तो we can put in the sausages and mix well. ये sausages का जो फैट निकलता है इससे अलग फ्लेवर मिलता है मैक एंड चीज में. You can use any kind of sausages. Even chorizo sausages are a nice option for making a mac and cheese. Once the sausages are cooked properly, add the capsicum and saute. At this stage, I will ask you to add some salt so that the salt goes inside the sausage, onion and capsicum, just a little bit, and then finally when we are making the mac and cheese at the last stage we adjust the seasoning. Now we add the sauce. And cook for few minutes along with the sausages and the capsicum and onion. So the flavors of the capsicum, onion, sausages gets infused in the sauce, and it's very aromatic. Now that the sauce has mixed well and the flavors of the sausages and the onion, capsicum are all mixed, we add the macaroni. Mix the macaroni well. Remember to keep the flame very slow while you're mixing the pasta along with the sauce so that you cook properly and the sauce gets mixed along with the pasta well. ये आपका पास्ता कुक हो गया सॉस के साथ. Now put some cheese. Keep some cheese as a standby so that we can add it on top of the pasta while we are baking the dish. Now mix the cheese well along with the pasta and the sauce so it becomes cheesy. The reason that I asked you to put less salt while you're cooking the sausages and the onions and the sauce is that when you're adding the cheese, there's some amount of salt, and hence if you add more cheese salt while you're cooking the sauce, it will become more salty. Now that the pasta is cooked well, अब हम लोग इसको bake करेंगे in the baking stage. So you have your baking dish ready and the pasta is ready. So we pour the pasta in the baking dish and then we bake it. Now we put it inside the oven to bake it at 180 degree for 4 minutes. Now you have the perfect baked mac and cheese. आप देख सकते हो कितनी अच्छी golden brown bake हुआ है cheese. And once you cut it, you see the cheesy mac and cheese along with the sausages and the capsicum and onion. Aromatic mac and cheese ready. बेटे को देने से पहले मैं टेस्ट कर लूं कैसी बनी. The taste of the sausages, pasta, white sauce, perfect seasoning, Eureka! Amazing!